Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in my Robinhood investing series. So as you can see for the day, actually down 1.71% or $82.64, but after hours, I'm actually up $10. So that's pretty awesome. Now looking at it from a week's perspective here, we are up 2.72% or $126.03. So still overall, with the portfolio, we are currently down $141.84. But I do predict that things are going to get a lot better. The winner for the day, if I remember correctly, I do believe it was Workhorse. Yep. Okay, Workhorse was the winner of the day in terms of my portfolio, going up 5.8%, which is odd because at one point it was up 10%, but I guess it did drop back down a little bit. Which is quite all right because I don't have that much equity in Workhorse, almost $300. So didn't surprise me that much that my overall portfolio balance wasn't that much impacted. Tesla for the day was down 1.78%, which is why my portfolio is down a little over 1%. So, but for the week, I'm so happy to see that it rebounded so much from its huge drop from like 2 weeks ago. But we are up 14.51% on Tesla for the week. So very happy to see that and hoping it continues to rise. As I'm recording this video, it is aftermarket. It is currently 4:17 p.m. And I just read some articles about the Federal Reserve is expecting to keep the interest rates to near zero throughout 2023. So for the next 3 years, we're going to continuously relatively low interest rates, which is pretty awesome. If you're thinking about buying real estate within the next 3 years, I'm going to actually try to consider my 5-year plan into a 3-year plan. So maybe the wife and I will look into moving sometime before the end of 2023, but we'll see where things are at. And let's see here. So unemployment rates, it is currently 8.4% amongst everything that's going on. And it is predicted that it will fall by 7.6% by the end of the year. And by 2023, back down to 4%. And before all the pandemic was going on, unemployment was at 3.5%, a near 50-year low, which is awesome. So looking forward to seeing what this low interest rate is going to do for the economy as we recover and everything opens back up again. But going to still be actively investing into my portfolio and seeing how much we could build it within the next couple of years. Might change my strategy a little bit, but that's what you're going to see throughout the series. So you guys are just seeing me working on investing and learning how to invest better. And then after I actually purchase another house, then I'll probably start up another Robinhood series and start another portfolio. That one more focused towards the long term, but we'll see what happens. So let me know how you guys are doing in terms of your portfolio. And if you guys enjoyed the video, as always, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.